everyone, this is PinNaree. I'm Mirin.
This is Myra. This is Jenny, and welcome to our YouTube channel.
And today we are reacting to Chicken Noodle Soup by Jung Hoseok, also featuring Becky G.
And this one just dropped out of nowhere. And we had to react to it, of course. Our youngest, Trina, has already reacted.
And the link to which will be down in the description box.
This is Jung Hoseok. This is Jung Hoseok.
Go check that reaction out, support her, and now let's jump right into this.
Let's get it. Oh, the beat is funky.
I let it rain, I clear it out. I let it rain, I clear it out.
He's not sexual,
I love his hair. Oh my god, his outfit is amazing. Look at that flow. I love the choreo so far. Becky G! Oh, I love her entrance. She's looking amazing. I love the transition in the music from J-Hope to Becky G. So good to listen to. With the soda on the side, we all know what soda that is.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Her rap was amazing. I'm obsessed.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stand you.
He just popped out of nowhere. Yes, legends. That frame was amazing.
I love the lyrics of this part. This applies so well for both of them. Love it.
Also, camera angles, man. Amazing. Amazing. Let's focus on my man, yes. I see the down. This part so good.
Hey, 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 hey. Let it rain. Clear it out. I love it. Hey, hey. What? Tell him. Damn. That's a chicken cut? It's so extra, I love it.
This kind of a cypher kind of thing. Oh, they have mentioned all the dancers. This is so cute. Oh wow. All these dancers, they're so good. I mean, I would love to learn with these people. They're so amazing. Yeah, this sounds nice.
Go Jay, go Jay, go Jay, go Jay.
This is bad. Yes, Mama.
Y'all couldn't tell, but my ass was quaking. Like,
There are some unexpected shifts in the music which I really really appreciate. I mean, if you're creating something, you should have the liberty to incorporate these changes if you want to. I really appreciate that they put together three different languages that actually creates this masterpiece. I mean, it's so good.
I really liked the whole aesthetic of the music video. It's very like 90s, and it's such a good tribute to the original song. Only J-Hope could have done this. Like, he's a freaking genius.
And this collab is just perfect. I think Becky G was the perfect choice for this song. She really brought in her own style. The Spanish rap was lit.
When she started rapping in Spanish, I felt my breath stop for a second or two, might have peed in my pants a little bit.
And I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with the dancing. He danced so well. Like, we all know that J-Hope is a terrific dancer, but this one just like raises the bar to that level.
You know why this song is called Chicken Noodle Soup? Because J-Hope moves like a noodle. He has no bone in his body.
That. I loved the dancers. I loved the dancing. Of course, J-Hope, Becky G. Know that it must have been so difficult for him to like go to LA and shoot this thing entirely by himself, but he managed to do that. He managed to get out of his comfort zone and do that for the love of his dance and music, and that is so inspiring and authentic and amazing, and I'm so proud of him, and I hope he gets all the recognition he deserves.
Should we do the chicken noodle soup dance challenge? Let us know in the comment below if you'd like to see that. Or maybe by the time it's out, we have already done it. In that case, check out our socials.
Okay, so that was it. Let us know whether you liked the video or not. If you want to watch more of these videos, comment down below.
And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I mean, why haven't you though? Our channel has a variety of content, reaction videos, vlogs, song covers, dance covers, and we are planning to incorporate so much more, so you really do want to subscribe to our channel. And if you like our videos, please share it with your friends, share it on your social media, because it helps us grow and we really appreciate it.
And with that said, let it rain, clear it out. Peace.